So today we are at 667 Wilbus Drive in Sunrise Beach. What you're going to find here is 2 master bedrooms, 5 bedrooms total, 4 baths, 2 kitchens, and a house that has just been well kept. This almost looks new, and I think you're going to enjoy this. So let's go on through. Well, thank you for joining us here today, and we think that you will absolutely enjoy this property. You're going to find a great lake view of the main channel, but you're also cove protected. You can also swim off of the community dock here, and another great thing is your boat slip is just steps away. Thank you for joining us. I'm Donna Meyer, RE/MAX, Lake of the Ozarks, Jason Whittle, All Pro Team. Call us at 1-800-836-2005.